Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this rich and refreshing pineapple and coconut drink without a juicer. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I have my coconut. I'm gonna go ahead to break it, remove the flesh, and I'll set that aside. Moving on to my pineapple, I'm gonna wash it a bit with salt so it is very clean. Go ahead to use vinegar to wash it and that will be fine. And I have some benefits of coconut and pineapple. Please go ahead to check. Okay, next I'm gonna be cutting my pineapple and I'm gonna be using one part of it. I'm not gonna be using all. So I'll go ahead to peel the pineapple and chop it into smaller size. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share this video to your friends and your loved ones. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I upload any video. Okay, so next I'm gonna chop it into smaller size just the way you see. So I'll go ahead to transfer all the pineapple into my bowl and I'm gonna set that aside. Moving on, you can actually do your juice without a juicer, just with your blender. So I'm gonna transfer everything into my blender and I'll be adding my coconut and ginger. Okay, so I'll go ahead to add in my water. Feel free to add in coconut water if that's what you have. So I'm gonna blend this till it is very smooth. Next I'll go ahead to sieve it. You can decide not to, but I'm gonna sieve mine. And while I was sieving, I noticed it wasn't well or properly blended. So I'll go ahead to blend it one more time so everything comes out very well. So I'll sieve everything and see, this combination was mouth watering. This combination, you definitely love it. Okay, so I'll go ahead to add in my coconut water. Next I'll add in my sweetener. So you can add in any sweetener of choice. I'll be adding in honey. Go ahead to add in any sweetener of choice. I'll stir everything together to combine properly and we are done. See, you definitely love this combination. Try it and let me know what you think about this video and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.